Are you tired of dealing with messy, oily chains that always seem to dirty your clothes and hands? Well, fret no more. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the magic of dry wax for your bicycle chain, a game changer in the world of chain maintenance. With dry wax chains, you'll experience the joy of a clean and smoothly functioning chain that's perfectly lubricated for your daily rides. The best part? The wax lasts for months before needing a refresh, and you'll know exactly when it's time to reapply when you hear that squeegee noise increase. Now let's dive into the simple process of re-waxing your bicycle chain. First, you'll need a hot gun for this task. Don't worry if you don't have one, a powerful hair dryer works just as well. Grab a candlestick and apply the hot air to both the chain and the candle. As the candle melts onto the heated chain, it forms an oil-like coating. Once the chain cools down, the wax sets, leaving you with a smooth and clean chain surface. Make sure to take it step by step, covering each segment of the chain until it's entirely coated with the candle wax. Don't forget to scratch some wax on the chain ring too for optimal performance. Now you can say goodbye to worries about dirty clothes or trousers. Since the wax is dry, it won't leave any messy residue on your hands or garments if it accidentally comes into contact. Even in the event of a chain drop, fear not, as repairing it becomes a breeze without the fuss of getting your hands dirty. So there you have it, folks. The secret to a squeaky clean and well-lubricated bicycle chain lies in dry wax. Try it out, and you'll enjoy a smoother and cleaner cycling experience. Until next time, happy cycling!